been working on the railroad.
Blayze with I've been working on the railroad.
Do you see how snazzy he
Just call me
was?
Conductor
He
Blayze.
came to dinner like this, and I was like, dang, I did not dress right.
You're making Amtrak jealous.
Thank you, Randy.
And coming up next after him is Lila.
All right, take it away, Blayze.
Thank you.
And take us
Here we
on the
go.
railroad.
Here we go. Here we go. I've been working on the railroad.